Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I'm going to open up a couple more NEX cars. This is a 124 scale NEX from Welly. Now we have the Lotus Emira. This is a new one for 2024. And also the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 or Z06. From also a 2024 release. From what I've seen, I haven't seen it earlier than that. Let's start with the Emira. We'll put the Corvette aside. On these next cases, we don't seem to have much information. There's no write-up about it other than licensing underneath. So we're not going to dwell on that. Let's get this open and have a look at the actual model. Been some great cars coming out from the NEX release. See if we can get that open easy enough. Now I showed off 2024 releases on a separate video, a couple of minute video, just showing what was on the shelf. Then I went back a few days later and this had turned up. Now I've seen a few more. Very nice. Don't know much about it myself, but let's get this one off the cardboard. Alright. Should probably keep all of these screws. They might come in handy one day. Not to put these back in, but 2 screws per pack. Collect a few cars. Might be able to use them. Alright, that's done. Okay, let's get this back over here. Now we have 2 pieces of circle sticky on there, and we also have the door holding plastic like you get on most of these. We have a completely covered base on this. There we go, 1524 release. Hasn't taken too long to get to the shelf. I mean, other countries may have had this already. Let's see if we can cut this without putting a mark on the car. I think I need to break off some of this blade. It's gone blunt. That do it? Yeah. Alright, so doors open. That's the smoothest door I've had in a car for a long time. Well done. Nice shiny mirrors too. Let's see if I can get that on camera. Huh, you can see myself in there. Dash is all lit up, and so is a instrument cluster in the middle. Let's see if we can get that. No, I think it's going to be one of those take a photo. Or maybe I need a light that I can shine on these. Mentioned that before. Other than that, it's all black plastic interior. So there's looks like a couple of sticker systems placed in the dashboard and the center console. And this is just crying to be taken off. Keep touching it. See if we can get this other one off. Do have Lotus written on the engine there. You can see. Alright. That's as high as we're going to go. So we've got some storage area there. And an engine that's packed away quite snug in there. No license plate on this. Definitely the Lotus written there. Looks like the brake light on this particular vehicle is on the trunk lid, or the hatch lid, or the engine cover lid, whatever you want to call it, and forms a full red line across. That works. Let's get rid of this sticker before we end up putting it somewhere we don't want it to go. Looks like we have some decal or print on the corner. in there. Lotus on the front. Very nice. Lotus on the wheels as well, with some drilled brake calipers, and we actually have the word Lotus written on some discs, drilled discs, and the calipers are painted black with Lotus written on it. Try and get some close-up pictures at the end of the video for you. Very nice. I like that. Nice and smooth. Very good. Let's put you out of the way so that we can do the Chevrolet Corvette. This is a 2023 model Z06 or Z06 as they say in the US. Let me get this one open. You know what? I may as well just tear these boxes open. I thought about keeping them, but I ended up with too many, and they're not worth keeping. It's not like it has a display base with a name on it or anything. Alright, this particular one does look like it comes with some extra plastic shielding. So, it'd be nice if they had the back open up, but I don't think that actually is made to do that. Orange, okay, it's a standout. I do have a couple of these in 1/18 scale from Maisto. Don't know if I got a 143 in this. Oh, well, I do in the Hot Wheels one now, actually. That made everything fall apart, which works for me. Another screw. Yep, there it is. Let's get that out of the way. We have nothing on the front holding it down because it will use the plastic. There's some cardboard residue left over. Another fully black base because obviously the aerodynamic system. Wow, you're going to stick there, are you? Got it. Now this is a 1524 release. What did we say the other one was? 1524 as well. Chevrolet, so it's a 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 used under license. Okay. Rear end on these. Corvette. Yep, very nice. I don't think the back comes open, but it does look like it's got a decent seal line there. I don't know if that's where the whole hatch is meant to come up or not. I don't think so. It's actually along here. So that may actually be the rear bumper part. Okay. Doors. That's a firm door. Black interior. Really black. It's going to make it really difficult on the camera. We'll try and do some reflection. We do have gauges on the instrument cluster there, so there is a sticker there. Decent silver mirrors, black mirrors actually. Nothing else on the passenger side. It is very black in there. Engine has shape but black. There's nothing in there. We do have a Chevrolet symbol on the back as well and on the front. And we'll endeavour to get this open. Okay, storage unit. That's about it. I would have preferred the back to come open, to be honest. And a little more detail there. Does that come up? Maybe it does. It feels like it wants to go up, but you know, it feels loose, but I don't think there's any way of actually lifting a latch there. That's a bit of a shame. Steering wheel does turn, but not very far. We have some decent brake discs and quite large calipers in the same color as the car, orange. Z06 on the side, or Z06. Black paint there, orange. Look, very nice looking. I like the Lotus as well. Really like the wheels on the Lotus. The black ones on this, they look alright, but I really do like the Lotus one. So that's the 2024, I'm going to call this sports car release, Lotus Emira and Chevrolet Corvette Z06 or Z06. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in further NEX openings and also 118 scale, I'll have those coming up soon too. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye.